Minister Nongthongbam Biren announces 10 crore rupees journalist corpus fund. Family court opened at Thoubal District DC complex. Chief Minister slams NGOs in Manipur for their poor performance. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, Radha Kishore, appeals to people not to throw solid waste everywhere. And Coordinating Committee of Polo Clubs urges government to frame policy to save Manipuri pond. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News. I'm Laithama Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren has announced 10 crore rupees corpus fund for the welfare of journalists of the state. The Chief Minister today presented the 35th Journalist Award of Kangleipaki Maira for this year at a function held at the Klipskam Community Hall, Konjeng Lake Gai. Speaking at the award function, Nongthongbam Biren stated that Manipur is now facing a lot of challenges and people need not be complacent. He said after 3 months in power, the new government has learned about the problems faced by the people. He said the government is trying to work with transparency and that within the first 3 months, the government has achieved what it wanted to, but people still have grievances. The Chief Minister asserted that the government wants to bring change and appeal for people's cooperation to achieve the change. T. Premchan of Poknapham, Baby Shrin of Ichel Express and Sana Jaubo of ISTV have been awarded the 35th Journalist Award of Kangleipaki Maira. Best Appreciated IPR Personnel and Best Hawker prizes were also presented, and 5 veteran journalists were also honored at the event. The awards carry cash prize and a citation. Students of Nauria Pakanglapa constituency who excelled in class 10 and 12 examinations under various boards were also felicitated. PWD Minister Thongam Biswajit, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam and Parliamentary Secretary S. Shubhas Chandra also attended the event.
Mayam ki function nina, aikoi ki culture nina, imungda yam thina waba. Adune koina last 3 months sidida praja ki numit miyam ki numit na concern jaga da lediba official mayam loina udahan leba praja se kari gi actually akoi praja se karai da kari film da ledi ke se khangdok pam samne sarkar na ngak da sai ga da gi sarkar na ngak da taina ga da gi leira ga di yaroi hanta ki isau sina so example mo da kan koi Tural Kunung Tang na nabigay scheme na paikal na bay adik consultant kaure sign taw na kare MOU Imphal Nambul aduga maroina Pongba River hai ba mum ji hosi ki project ki makha da pe manung teng thoga honari teng thong na ba.
Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren today came down heavily on the NGOs of Manipur for their poor performance. He said the NGOs in the state rank #1 in taking loans and making money. The Chief Minister was speaking at the inauguration of the family court at Thoubal District DC complex this afternoon. He also expressed grave concern at mob justice, which is highly prevalent in Manipur. Biren said the government is trying to prevent mob justice. Referring to the government's drive against drugs and intoxicants, the Chief Minister observed that drugs have taken the youth of the state in the wrong path. The Chief Minister maintained that it is alarming to know that there are about 24,000 HIV-infected women in a small state like Manipur, and all must jointly fight against the problem. Biren also said the future generations will not forgive the present generation if it does not act in time. The Chief Minister also stressed the role and responsibilities of judiciary in delivering justice to the society. He appealed to lawyers to make the people aware of the rule of law and also assured that the government will fulfill the needs of the legal fraternity. Law Minister L. Jayantakumar, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam and Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar were present on the occasion. Government,
board levy judiciary, media, Maramde koi sing dog duram, koi society se, yam satina manung yam tina so ogaleram kre. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯖꯜꯂꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯐꯥꯎ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯊꯨꯗꯦꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯑꯝꯃꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯗꯅꯕ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯡꯐꯝꯗ ꯇꯤꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯁꯦ.
Art and Culture Minister L.J. Kumar today inspected Wakha Ching and its surroundings for the construction of the Manipur University of Culture. He was accompanied by the local MLA, parliamentary secretaries and officials concerned. Minister L.J. Kumar told the media during his visit that the Cultural University is one of the major projects of the government. He maintained that the work was delayed due to the floods. The minister also said officials have been instructed to expedite the work. He appealed to the people to extend their full cooperation for successful implementation of the project.
Karam makil pot thamag nungai ke dagi na habidi lokoi tanaraga onnabil se ngon tanaraga meje police mo na koi thamje ge do jara ge si torba kanda masigi yamna maru oiba ki role logada basi akil local MLA or the honorable parliamentary secretary koi interest at mana maru in ki role lobiraga prajamyam gi full participation matu yog ge de to makil thabak na to banina matu masu aina koi team gi tarap te gi government tarap te gi honorable koi parliamentary secretary request ogje the Yaragade series the monk and Sarpagan Matting Pang Bi Hadana.
Honorable Singi Makada, Koi Palace, the Layalam, Hang watching Zida, Koi over University Sagalaga, Koi Sing Mans, Koi Yam Naknapa, Saharam, Winaway the Makta, Koi do you walk along the Siena from the Pujareba, Mattojariba, see the Natanato, but we have Zagasi the Lam, Hang watching there, a papa project Puzaraga, Toxiabizu, and a ma'am, the message of it.
Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, MLA L. Radhakishore, today appealed to people not to dispose solid waste wherever they want. Speaking at a one-day cleaning program at Thangal Bazar, Watham Leirak and Muchi Leirak, organized by Thamaiban Assembly Constituency Development Forum, Radhakishore said, under the centre's Naman-mi mission, efforts will be made to clean the 9 rivers known as Loktak Isai Mapan, which fall into the Loktak Lake. He also says, as approved by the Central Pollution Control Board, air quality monitoring station will be set up at Kurai Lamlong, Singjamai, Kwakaithel, Tera, Uripok and all assembly to monitor air pollution on daily basis.
Bazar manung sida leiriba hoje akoina seasonary akoina holiba sorase karam status ta kari masida quality quantity akoi check toba pollution control board na masi thabuk sathare hoje all assembly sida air quality monitoring station ma hangana bagi pollution control board central gi sida ayaba pirakle akoi masta hangla koi gi greater imphal gi manung sida lamlong khorai sida ma singjangmei jaga swaida mai koi adoga amana Kwakaithel gi swaida ma Tera gi Oripok somda ma loinana akoi air monitoring station se je hangana bagi provision laire center de gi swaya pirakle masi hanglaga day by day gi koi air de hoji morsal aibe sing se si soi koi pollution control board check torogani.
The Children's Personality Development Training Center today organized a training program for children under Swachh Bharat mission at its office at Wangkai Ayangpali Road. The training program will be held every Sunday. PHED Chief Minister L. Swami Kanta spoke on Swachh Bharat mission and the need to keep the environment clean. Children from various schools ranging from nursery to class 5 took part in the program.
Karamna angang sing asida awareness ohengadagi habi matang da luna nana thamba ngamnana bagi damak ta khangnana bagi damak ta koina sinbasi sponsor to biraktuna siliba program asida mayamna support to be yam nungai jare aduga aikon haijaning ba amana angang se aikoi gi live angang si asi khatana tan Manipur da laiba angang khudima ase yamna maru oiba haidar swasta bar mission ne pangthu piduna hena saukhatpa hena luba nanba atoba state sing asidi ke ta tan Manipur siju hena nanba haidar yamna tamjaninga oiba state amo oiba ngamnana ba kan hona mena se havegi
Anobomayol Khongchat Amakhak, an NGO along with Green Biotech Eco Solutions Private Limited and Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC organized an awareness program on how to convert waste into biofertilizer by using a green bucket at Kwaramban Bazaar today. IMC Corporator Maibon Paumai said if every household adopts the green bucket process under IMC, the problem of solid waste in the city can be solved.
Sakumdagi tholaiba phatta haudi sing mana masing sing asi green bucket haiba hapsen biraga micro compost azina sing liter amada makhum ahum si yansen biraga numit 12 gi matungda akoina haiba posing asi makhum chena khumjen biraga thamma matungda yam kanaraba miyoibada sabada haksang da soroidaba adugumba har makhal amakak sijina ba yabigi khudong sabada su phangba ado masidagi masum mama tholakani masi haiba masum sijo akoina nukti khar khar loktopi gani haiba masum masigi tholaiba sisu isingda hazana koigi liter ising liter ahum da haiba masum si liter magumba yalaga pambi hauriba khoi isagi haujana leiraba pambi sing matakta saibada adugi matik yam takat takat tikliba posak pambi amo oisu oi
Imphal municipality manong asida leiriba praja punamangna masigi afabasi lorma khoi imthong kuning da satna ba taragadi masi khoi Imphal municipality da solid waste ki problem jaka solve togara na khoi appeal tawjari miyam na sinna biwena.
As part of the 68th Van Mahotsav, Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Imphal West District, Chingamathak College Road Youth Development Association and 6 Assam Rifles, Choi Chinga Post, planted saplings at the Chinga Hill today. Speaker Y. Kim Chan also attended the plantation program held under the theme Connecting People to Nature.
Manipur ki jaga kya da environmental day da kari da u thabi ki khongjang yamna akan ba changjalakni adu wa ina si appeal tawjeri maram di thabi ki u singa du malang na ku leiba singna sing sai bi na u sindu hingan ba ma di u sindu chawkhal kan da marak ta leiba environment phaba da mateng pangwa ohen bi wa ina appeal tawjeri
Rotary Club Imphal held the 30th tree plantation program under the theme Save the Mother Earth. As part of the event, a cycle rally was flagged off from Rotary Club Bhavan, Mantripukhi, and members planted over 300 tree saplings at JCRC Skill Solution, Awang Sekmai. Rotary Club organizes tree plantation program every year to protect and preserve the nature.
Tree plantations for the last 30 years, global warming laiba, Save Mother Earth haiba. So, Timji Makada, when the Rotary Club of Imphal, around 250 to 500 tree plantations, saplings, Tajarokoni, 100 Kizina Kuntarak Subani, message hider to the public, Yamdra, each and every citizen of the country throughout India, not only for the Manipur, at least Kogi, me among Pambi, Ahum Tabagi, Wakal or see, when Audoxin by airness spinning bagi, Wakal on the Tajapanese.
Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Jotin Waikom, repaired the potholes on Thamaiban Watam Road and Muzi Road this morning. Former Councillor of Thamaiban Constituency Development Forum, Ward No. 1, Binarani, and members of BJP Mahila Morcha also joined the repairing of the roads.
Watam Lekhi Amaruiba, Pal City, Amaru, Lambian Amani, Adomasi. Porholes ngata ngaiba mayamna ubire sida akaiba yam kutha da chatpa yadan leibasi laiba khogi tai time panam trampan da amisaji lakpa mari lena akoina haiba program si porholes sing mention jabani akoi Thaiman Assembly Constituency Development Forum galona na koi workers mayam galona na watham lerak amadi muji lerekta akogi chau porholes sing leiba mayam se matam khrei mang tu mayam khangbi khrei lambien bok thing na program mayam na lambien ji phatre sembi dre hadna to budu namukta khada o chutpan yana bai damukta akoina ngasi porholes
President of JDU Manipur State, Hankanpao Taitul, has claimed that the NDA government at the centre has failed to repair the national highways in Manipur, although it has completed 3 years of governance. Speaking to media during a meeting of the party held at his residence at Zomi Villa today, Hankanpao Taitul alleged that even though the BJP MLAs are aware that floods occur in Manipur every year, they did not take preventive measures. He also said the JDU did not contest the 11th Manipur Assembly elections as the party did not have candidates who could ensure victory.
2014 की February Lamjing playground achoba playground lakringai da Modi ji nadi kam kana promise mayam ma haithabi rame adu singdo madi chinjamani na kawramasu oiba ja edu bo matam jana adamangon da takpi na ngai mi se Manipur da iwat wat labra haina ikhalle state ki leader sing ningsing han lo ada khobi thin lo khudon thin lo chinthi ba ngang ira haibio national highway improvement leite jiribam highway improvement leite disaster masi se si ising chauri se kumsi khakta na te ko ha mathang sahi su si hena chau khini state sarkar su section hobiro Modi ji dei hoji dei precautionary measure kai no logwo.
Notice Forum for International Solidarity (NEFIS) in a press release has welcomed the order of Supreme Court directing CBI inquiry into cases of extrajudicial killings in Manipur by the Army and Assam Rifles. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The government has been urged to frame a policy soon to protect and preserve the endangered Manipuri pony. Coordinating Committee of Polo Clubs of Manipur has called for people's active cooperation to save the Manipuri pony. Addressing the journalists at the Manipur Press Club today, Chairman of the Coordinating Committee, Ningthau Khonjam Bedajit, urged the government to reserve grazing fields and habitat for the endangered animal. He cautioned that the Manipuri pony, despite its significance in Manipuri civilization, is on the verge of extinction and might disappear sooner or later if serious measures are not taken to protect the animal.
Manipur government dang asagi sagun bu nuksi ni hariba meeting duna Manipur government da lam khara khoi reserve to biu haina khoi punna demand tominasi haiba hajari aduga lanai miu sina sa san bu nuksi ba ona sina haibam thokba tawbiba ngamba mafam da di habidraga haibadi government da ona habidraga lanai miu singsida tati ta ona tawbiba do adusu sum chatharak agadi aikoi segol loiriba kangbu singna upai leitabdagi surrender torko tamni mai sogondo surrender si government de obe any organization de obe adu mai torko taragadi sogonji pura mutkrani Pediland and the Wetland Protection Act 2014 ase Manipur da leriba part sing wetland singsida sanahan biu
Chongabi Development and Relief Organization Imphal East and Center for Sales and Medical Representatives Union Notice Region organized a health camp for flood-affected people at Kongba Makha Chongabi Bazaar. 9 doctors from Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS check up the people at the camp. Free medicine were also distributed to nearly 200 people. Members of KM Blooming Alumni Association provided food items to flood-affected people of Khangabok Makhalekai. They distributed rice, pulses, edible oil and salt to people staying at relief camps at Khangabok Makhalekai, Awang Lekai and Cherapur Lekai yesterday. The flood victims appreciated the help. The summer camp organized by Lamkoi Manipur for children up to 14 years concluded today at Manipur Adventure and Allied Sports Institute, Masi Kairao Bitra in Imphal East. The children and their parents planted 200 saplings on the campus of the institute on the last day today. Purai Romba Youth Club today felicitated students of class 10 and 12 who excelled in the examinations conducted by different boards at Purai Romba Lai Community Hall in Bamon Kampu, Imphal East. Sportspersons who will take part in various national level competitions were also encouraged with gifts at the event. Kechigaon MLA and Parliamentary Secretary and Indrajit, Bamon Kampu Zilla Parisat, Golmai and Pradhan of Bamon Kampu Gram Panchayat TH Bubol were among those present at the function. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal East, Gao and District Veterinary Office Imphal East jointly organized one-day animal health vaccination program at Bukau Khabam yesterday. Joint Director Imphal East, Dr. Thoiba and Dr. Sushil Kumar Thaudam briefed the people on how to take care of domestic animals at the camp. An outlet of US-based genuine broster chicken was launched today in Imphal. Popular food items of GBC like pressure fried chicken, lamb rogan josh burger will be available along with palak paneer burger, gotala khichdi, mango ice cream, chocolate samosa, chulbul, bulbul soda, etc. at the outlet at Kumail's City Centre, Kakwa. The outlet is opened by Yellow Tie Hospitality. Owner of the outlet, Ramesh, was optimistic that the food lovers will love to visit the first ever outlet of genuine broster chicken in Manipur.
Koina health ki kanosi da ju yengaga koina broster ki thau da thau 50% akoi hena chuptaba asumba mayam ji yenga health consciousness ki oi bujida koina sigi product ase lauragadi mayam ge health ki maram da ju yamna conscious oiba mayam da ju sigi akoi pot ase charaga mahau tangbiraga tang lakpiraga dum mayamna nuaine na khanjai.
An awareness program on GST was held in Moreh yesterday. The awareness program was organized jointly by Border Trade Chamber of Commerce, Moreh, and Central GST Commissionerate, Manipur, at Seminar Hall of Moreh Trade Center. Members of Border Trade Chamber of Commerce, businessmen, traders, and people of the area attended the program. Representatives of Lois Kakching in a press release says it is necessary to identify the agricultural lands where rice can be cultivated after the floods. They said fertilizers should be made available to farmers of Kakching to encourage them to produce more agricultural yields and urged the government to prevent the agents from selling the fertilizers at a higher price. Agricultural lands in Kakching except Losi Pass have not been affected by the recent flood. Now news from the world of sports. Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament kicked off today at ABA Ground, Khetrigao. USA Kurai and RAU Lairikingbam Laikai were drawn 1-1 in the first league match. USA Kurai's TH Yaipavan netted the lone goal in the 6th minute, while Rao's Lairikingbam Laikai Ningon netted in the 87th minute. DOAK and SSC will lock horns in the second league match, while YOSC will face NIFSO in the third league match tomorrow. Kundrakpam Kendra Kankut defeated their rival in the 6th late Longjam Kuber Singh Memorial League cum Knockout Open Kang tournament. In the 13th league match played today, Kundrakpam Kendra Kankut defeated Yai School Kendra Kankut 17-12. The tournament is sponsored by Imphal East DFO L. Joy Kumar in memory of his father and organized under the aegis of Lining Thau Sanamahi Kang Association Wangoi at Longjam Lekai Community Hall, Wangoi. Kaisamthong Kendra Kankut will face Wabagai Kendra Kankut in the 14th league match tomorrow. Manipuri archers Laishram Bombela and K.H. Ratan Kumar have been selected to take part in the World Cup Archery Championship to be held at Berlin, Germany from August 8 to 13. Bombela will compete in the recurve event while K.H. Ratan Kumar in the compound event. Manipur has secured 4 gold in the Senior Indian Round National Archery Championship held at Telangana. Manipur Sport Climbing Association felicitated Maibam Chingkai Nganba, who won a gold medal in the Asian Youth Sports Climbing Championship held at Singapore. 15-year-old Chingkai Nganba clocked 8 minutes 26 seconds in the Youth B category speed climbing competition. Chingkai Nganba, who has won many state and national titles, is preparing to take part in the World Youth Championship to be held at Austria from August 30 to September 10. He appealed to sports lovers of the state to extend all possible help.
Sigi wall siga hole ke kase mati chadre India su international standard wall se ampang dai tri do ada le horiba wall se direct plain wall sigi both features yang yauk da vida plain wall daga hole ke hole jong sinadre volume kumba acho so wa volume da khoi di pai haina dam ni na digi matik cha da ba khoi chatuk chasin da mating pam gi ba duga anoba wall sabiba speed kiga.
Members of All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association congratulated K. Rebita on winning Matri Sakti Prativa Award. Rebita received the award from RSS Chief Mohan at a function organized by Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS in Delhi on the 10th of this month. She was given the award in recognition of her dedication and for winning international medals in bodybuilding and wushu. The award carries a cash prize of 50,000 rupees, certificate of appreciation and a trophy. Youth organization Khagengpally felicitated international taekwondo player Nongdrin Khaba Potsangbam and national taekwondo player Raj Laishram at its office at Khagengpally today. Nongdrin Khaba Potsangbam bagged bronze in under 14 junior boys category match in Korea Open International Taekwondo Championship, bagged bronze in Gyoruji match in Jeoju International Taekwondo Championship. Raj Laishram bagged gold at Pumse match individual and Pierre and another gold medal at Goryuji in the 3rd Bhagwan Mahavir National Open Taekwondo Championship. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren announces 10 crore rupees journalist corpus fund. Family court opened at Thoubal District DC complex. Chief Minister slams NGOs in Manipur for their poor performance. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board Radhakishore appeals to people not to throw solid waste everywhere. And Coordinating Committee of Polo Clubs urges government to frame policy to save Manipuri pony.